Lockbox LIMS has a unique plate map feature that allows users to assign samples or libraries to wells within plates. This video will demonstrate the plate map functionality, including creating a new plate, customizing the plate's configuration, adding and removing samples, and reserving wells within the plate. Starting from the Plates tab, we can create a new plate by clicking New and giving the plate a name. After pressing Save, we are taken to the plate's record page where we will find the plate map. The first step is to configure the plate by number of rows and columns. Common plate configurations include 96 well plates and 384 well plates, which have already been configured in this org. If your lab uses other plate sizes, your lab's Lockbox administrator can add new configurations using Lockbox's point-and-click configuration tool. Or you can select the rows and columns you need and create a custom plate configuration within the plate map. The next step is to add samples to the plate. Samples or libraries are easily selected by clicking Add Samples or Add Libraries. Upon clicking these buttons, you will see a detailed view where you can filter and select samples or libraries. I will add these 6 samples to the plate. Once selected, the samples will appear sorted chronologically by ID number on the left-hand side of the plate map. Selected samples will remain unassigned to a well location until the user indicates how to assign them. There are a variety of methods I can use to assign well locations in this plate map. I can drag and drop samples to specific well locations. If I accidentally drop a sample in the wrong well, I can just pick it up and move it. I can also use automatic assignments to assign individual or multiple samples row by row and also column by column. Lockbox can also assign selected samples randomly to any available locations on the plate. If I need to remove samples from the plate, I can easily select samples that have been plated and press Remove Selected. I can also remove all the samples with the Remove All button. Finally, I can use the Assign All button to assign all the unassigned samples automatically. This can also be done row by row, column by column, and randomly. Many labs also require plate wells to be left empty or reserved for reference standards and controls. Reserving wells in the plate map can be done by inputting a list of well IDs. These reserved wells will not be available for sample assignment. If users have laboratory processes where certain wells always need to be unavailable, this process can be streamlined by pre-configuring plates with pre-reserved wells, which can be done by your lab's Lockbox administrator. With the plate's wells reserved and samples assigned, the plate is now ready for laboratory processes like sample tracking and protocol execution.